outside, rushing up AJ Special, Yellow Soldier. Diamond Dane rushing up on the outside is getting better. Maypan number 2, Take Me Tonight, and Global Warrior is running at the tail of the field. Yellow Soldier, Diamond Dane on the outside is AJ Special. Tarp Moore racing import by about 2 lengths. Then here comes getting better. Maypan racing on the outside, second last Global Warrior, and Take Me Tonight's now running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far turn, Yellow Soldier, AJ Special, rushing up now is getting better. It's the Yellow Soldier getting better, racing on the outside. AJ Special on the further outside, Tarpmoor, Global Warrior by Darrell as they race the final corner. It's now getting better from the outside, Yellow Soldier, AJ Special done on the inside, and here comes Global Warrior. Getting better, followed now by Global Warrior, Tarpmoor on the outside, and nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, the horse of Mr. Bong Espina Jr., getting better. 2-8 Tarpmoor, Global Warrior, AJ Special, Yellow Soldier, Maypan, Take Me Tonight, and Diamond Dane comes last.
Eventual top choice ang unang tumuwid sa linya. At